Okay, what's up guys? So here today we're at the Canton Fair. This is the home and decor, home and buildings, kitchenwares, all kind of decor stuff right here. So this is a huge platform. I mean, this place is just amazing. I mean, you get a lot of great ideas, great opportunities, and great thing is it's all wholesale, import exports worldwide. So here at the Canton Fair, Guangdong, China, 2026. Let's go. All right, so this one is this Sitong, the manufacturer name, home decor. Look at all the colorful. Amazing, this is all ceramic. Huge collection, guys, huge collection. If you guys are interested in this, it will be putting all the information in the description, or just comment home decor ceramic. You guys have your card? Your card?
Card?
Yeah.
Sorry, this is not printed. Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
This one.
This one right here?
Yeah.
All
This is
right.
my manager's.
Okay. Well, here is their information. As I mentioned, it's going to be all in the description right here. So, all right. Thank you.
Celebrity?
Huh?
Are you the celebrity?
What is it? No, YouTuber.
YouTuber.
Yeah.
Wow.
YouTuber.
So
Yeah.
you are
How many friends?
shooting vlog, right?
Shouting vlogs. Yeah. It's all going to go on the YouTube. Yes. Sir, are you?
Here, 47.
This one, because we will quote you with the discounts, is about $25.
$25.
Yes.
Okay, so this right here is $25, guys. It's only $25, but you have to do how much MOQ?
150.
150 MOQ of per model right here. So that just an idea, so you can see. And they have many different models to choose from. Different patterns, different designs, different colors. So you can scan this code and get their website. You have your card? If you guys want their information, here is their contact. You can do, and then all the information will be in the description. You have your card?
Name card.
Yeah. So contact this supplier. Here is their information. It's also going to be in the description.